Hey, this is Cy from Music Radar. We are at Superbooth 2019. We are with Teenage Engineering. So last time we saw you guys, it was in a motel room in Los Angeles. You had just announced these pocket operator modular things. The OPZ would smash out, and you were teasing the OP Lab that goes inside it.
Exactly.
We've had updates on all of these fronts now, so let's hear what's going on with you guys then. So should we talk OPZ first?
We can do that, yeah, sure. So right now I have the OP Lab module connected to here, running the system. So that's all and good. It's been out for a while. The thing that's new today is we announced sampling.
Yeah.
So there's a built-in microphone here that you can use for sampling. And also if you connect a headset, you can use a headset mode. So if I go into the sampler, I can now use those inputs to sample basically. So right now we're at the in the audio, or sorry, the synth tracks, and then just like the OP1, we have 6 seconds worth of audio.
Yep.
In the chromatic format, and then if we go to the drum tracks, we have 12 seconds sliced up over the for 24 keys. So just like the OP1 for now. It's a free software update that we are announcing today, and we are releasing soon. I don't have a timeline right now, but it's if you have this, now you have a sampler also.
Yeah, cool. And so previously you had to upload your own samples per kit, so now you can sample
From
directly in.
or using the OP1 or whatever external gear and then load it here, but now you can do it straight in.
And I take it, so we've got an update to the control app here as well, so we can see what's going on.
Yeah, so right now I'm in the graphical interface for the audio tracks. If I go, or sorry, the synth tracks, if I go to like the sample here, the slice one, and I go here, then we have pitch and gain, we have playback, we have or play order, basically playback. You can set the in and out points for the loop. So let's see, we have a waveform, not an editor, but a waveform display here.
Yeah, so you can see what's going on with your sounds there. Yeah.
So it's right now it's basic functionality, but super useful.
Yeah. Cool. So remind me as well. So the Op Lab, like I said, we've seen before. It's already out.
Yeah.
Remind me what's going on here. What we got coming out now with this?
Well, we can do like this. We unscrew the back plate, and there we go. We move this. And here we have the different ins and outs. So we have MIDI trig pocket operator out, selectable, and MIDI trig in. We have CV and gate, and if you have a stereo to dual mono cable, you get additional 2 CVs out. So that's how you connect the OPC to the 400 or to any other equipment that you want to control.
Cool, so you can just use the built-in sequencer here, and we can use it to fire off and control any other kind of hardware you want to use.
Yes.
So talking about these, the modular range, so since we last saw you guys, you've had some kind of good developments and not so good developments because you had to cancel a few orders for some of the other ones, is that right?
So, I mean, we can see them all as good, but of course we can understand that people have been a bit wondering a bit what's going on. But so the thing was, we wanted to release these 3 different sets, but when we got the 16 keyboard, we felt we weren't happy with the functionality. It wasn't working to the standards that we wanted to. So instead of releasing something that we were almost happy with, we decided to just not release it, pull it back, and just completely redo it. So now it's a super product, and we're super happy with it.
Yeah.
So basically, it's a 4-track, up to 64-step sequencer with a scaled keyboard with scaled knobs or free knobs, individual ARPs per track, individual swing per track, individual timing multipliers per track, and MIDI out over 3.5 and a DIN breakout, and also pocket operator out. So now it's a really flexible product.
Yeah, so it's taken a little bit longer to
Yes.
to emerge, but it's now a cooler and better thing than.
Yeah, we really happy with it, and it's the same price as we first announced it, and it's going to be out within a few months, I hope. So right now we're testing it. It seems to work fine, and we're just exploring the possibilities.
Cool. So I just want to show. Let's have a little look
Right.
down here, because one of the things you told us when we first saw this modular stuff is that obviously they can be adapted for Eurorack, and this is kind of just a proof of concept thing you've got going on here, right? So
Exactly. So what we did was take some of the 400 system modules, and so these are the individual PCBs for those modules. Just made a few custom faceplates back in the office. We laser cut some wood and printed it, and then we mounted to the 400 power distributor board, and then from that to the bus powered power here.
yeah.
So that shows a way to get these modules into your existing URL.
Yeah, so the idea being that you can buy the full set, and then at some point, if you want to build that into a bigger Eurorack system, you can
Yes.
do that. So
You
is
can
there?
also replace these modules in your set system, or just completely remove them.
So is there a plan on the roadmap to sell individual modules then?
Well, there is, but I don't have a timeline still.
Yeah, but
So-
that's a kind of something you hope for
Yes, definitely.
in the future. Cool. All right. Well, thanks. That's a nice catch up on where everything's at in the world of teenage engineering. Be sure to like and subscribe wherever you're seeing this video, and stick with us for even more Superbooth news for the next few days. Thanks.